Is your Chevy Silverado 2022 to 2024 key fob not working like it used to? It probably needs a new battery. These fobs use a CR2032 battery, and replacing it yourself is easy and saves money. First, locate the small notch on the side or back of the fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to gently open the fob at the notch. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation, positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Snap the fob back together until it clicks shut. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation or consider dealer reprogramming for 2024 models. If the key fob still isn't working after a battery replacement, a few things could be wrong. Ensure the CR2032 battery is new and from a reputable brand like Panasonic or Duracell to avoid counterfeit batteries, which are more prone to failure. Double-check the battery polarity. Positive side should be facing up. For 2024 Silverado models, you might need to have the key fob reprogrammed by a Chevrolet dealer, especially if it has advanced keyless access features. Although rare, corrosion or damage inside the fob might require replacing the entire unit. Note that, while DIY replacement is common, improper handling may void warranties, so check your owner's manual for specific instructions. Lastly, consider software updates for your vehicle, as newer updates can sometimes improve key fob battery life monitoring and performance.